Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shaha and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this video we will learn how to add new column in PySpark dataframe. Okay, so in our early video we have already learned that how to add CSV file, pocket file, and also JSON file, how to read the files and how to write the files in Spark data frame. And today we will learn how to add new column in our data frame. Okay, so if you have not seen my earlier video, please go to my channel and see the videos. The videos are in sequence. Okay, so this is my data frame. Yeah, this is my notebook. Sorry. So already cluster is attached with my notebook. I have taken one new notebook as usual. Okay, so already a data frame created for saving the time. Okay, so you can see in the data frame there are three columns: id, name and role. Okay, so now we'll try to add new columns in this data frame. Okay, so how we can add new column? So for adding new column in the part data frame, there is a method we can use. The method is with column method or with column function. Okay, which is provided by PySpark. Okay, so before going to that, first we can use the help function for getting the knowledge about the mm, with column function. Okay, so let's see. So I have already told you before doing anything, please use this help function. This is a very useful function for getting the knowledge about any kind of function or method in Python. Okay, as you are a beginner or learner, you can use it for learning the whole details of any kind of function. Okay, so let's see. So this is the method on which column in module PySpark SQL data frame. Okay, you can see the full details of this function. Okay, so how you can create to use this column in here. So I will show you. Don't worry. Okay, so there are multiple method, multiple way using which we can use this function. Okay, there only they have shown here they are shown. Okay, so let's see first. Okay, so we have in this data frame we have three columns, but now suppose you want to add the uh, city of this student. Okay, suppose these three students belong from the same city. Okay, so how you will add the city of this student? Okay, so what we will do, we'll store the new data frame in the same variable. So we have taken out EA also. Okay, EA dot with column, already intelligence given you. So that it. Okay, so now after that you give your new column name. So I will give it city. After that give one comma, and as the all the students are from the same city, then we can pass the same value for all the students in the same column. Okay, so in this case If you haven't any kind of any value for the new city, so you can keep it null also. So for this case, I'm adding one value. Okay. I have already told you that suppose all the students are from same city, then what we can do? So we'll use their lead function. Okay, for adding the city name for all the students. So suppose all the three students are from Kolkata. So for and at the last, for using the lead function, we need to import it first. Okay. So what we can do, we can import it here on, or we can import it at the top. Okay. We need to run this. So from PySpark dot SQL function import the. So run the whole notebook. So the you can see the new column is added to the notebook. So now display display sorry, displays. So for all the students, the city is added. Okay. Suppose now uh, you want to add the age of the student. So then what will you? Suppose the thing the students whatever all the students age is 5 years above 5 years, you need to add with your roll number, then you will get the student age. Okay. Suppose you think that all the students age is for getting the all the students age, you need to add the roll five with all the roll numbers. Okay, then you will get the age. So what you will do here? So here we will do a dot with column, and then we need to add age. Age. So what will be the age? We need age will be plus 5 with our roll number. Okay, whatever it is the roll number for each student, it will be plus 5 and you will get the age. Okay, so in this case, we need to specify the column also. So we need to use the call function. So roll then plus 5. So before using the call function, we need to import it. So I have imported. Okay, so let's run the code. So display. Okay, you can get 33 plus 35, 38. 12 plus 5, 17. 56 plus 5, 61. Okay. So 61 age, 61 year, whoever she is, okay. She is not a student, I think. So but anyone can learn in any age. Okay, so that is not an issue. I have just given one number for learning purpose. Okay, so next one another method we'll see. So if we want to add multiple column at a time, then what we will do? In only can we do? So here what we can do? Here we can add what we can add country. That's for all of the media. Once again, I want to add another column. This column. So here we want to specify their school fees. Okay. So fee will be for them 100 into their age. Okay. So in this case, what we will do? We will specify the column, each column, each column into 100. That will be their school. Okay. So now for running the cell, the function create now. You can get the data. Okay, you can see the data. So let's print the schema for this. You can also see the schema from here. Integer. So this is how we can add a new column in our data set. Okay, using the with column method. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Okay, we'll see the things in our next video. So if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and please also press the bell icon as I'm uploading the new videos daily basis, so you will get the notification daily. Okay, please do like and share the video with your friend if you think this is useful. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye.